Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if you receive we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So let's get started. So here I am on a Windows 11 system, and when I try to install an update, you can see that it has update failed, and the error mentioned is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down, and there is a retry link there, which if I click, nothing happens and the same error appears again and the update is not completed. To resolve this problem, we have two different solutions. Let's start with solution number 1. Simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type services.msc and click OK or press the enter key. When the services snap-in opens, scroll down and locate Windows Update Service. Just double click on this service, and on the property sheet make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. In case if the service status is stopped, simply click on the start button to initiate the service. Then click apply followed by OK. Now just double click on the Windows Update Service again and go to the dependencies tab, and this service depends upon remote procedure call for its operation. So we also need to make sure that the remote procedure call service is running on this system. So just scroll down and locate the remote procedure call service, and here you can see that it is running and having the automatic startup type. In case if it is not running on your system, simply double click on it and click on the start button. Next, you need to check background intelligent transfer service. So here we can locate this service and make sure that this service is also running and have an automatic startup type. After this, check cryptographic services and make sure that this service is also running and have an automatic startup type. Next, check Windows installer service and also make sure that the service is running. Here you can set it to manual or automatic type, but you need to make sure that the service is started. So simply click on the start button and the service should be running. Now once these services are running, you can now retry to install the failed update and it should work now. In case if you still face the problem, you can try solution number 2. Click on the search icon present on the taskbar and type command prompt in the search box. From search results, select command prompt and then click run as administrator. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the command prompt window appears, type in the first command. You can just copy and paste these commands from the video description. So the first command is netstop wuauserv and just press the enter key. This will stop the Windows Update service. Type the next command netstop cryptSvc and press the enter key. If you are prompted to stop the dependency services as well, just type Y and press the enter key. In few moments, cryptographic services will be stopped. After this, paste the next command netstop bits and press the enter key. And then stop the next service netstop msiserver and press the enter key. This will stop the Windows installer service. After this, paste this command and press the enter key, which would rename the software distribution folder on your device. And after this, again type the another command or paste it from the video description and press the enter key. This command will rename the cat root folder. After this, we can restart back the services we stopped earlier. So type in the next command netstart wuauserv. This will start the Windows Update service. Then start the cryptographic services by using the command netstart cryptSvc and press the enter key. After this, start the next service bits. For this, we will type the command net space start space bits and press the enter key. After this, start the Windows installer service by running net space start space msiserver and press the enter key. And you can see that all the services are now started, which we stopped earlier. And also we renamed the software distribution and cat root folder, and in this way the Windows Update potential database has been reset and the problem you were facing with the failed update should be now resolved. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.